Great day guys, me again, Argisan na lang. And in this video guys, pag-uusapan natin about sa design resource. Being graphic designer guys, I would say 90% of everyday basis what I'm doing is related to the design. So that's why gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung top 5 website kung saan makakakuha ka ng free source. So itong video na to hopefully makatulong sa iyo, especially sa mga new beginner na designer. Okay, so it will help you a lot in your workflow. Okay, dahil sa mga website na to, ang bibigay sa'yo ng inspiration, reference, or even tools in everyday doing design. So it will help you a lot of many reason and many inspirational design yung makukuha mo rito, and like free font, business card, and everything. Okay guys, so before we jump in our main topic guys, so please subscribe and pakihit naman yung bell button so para lagi kayo updated sa mga video na i-upload ko. And hopefully makatulong sa inyo tong video na to and magbigay sa inyo na inspiration about what I'm doing everyday is design, ganun din sa inyo. So in everyday workflow na gagawin nyo, especially sa mga beginners, so sana makatulong sa inyo to. So, iiwan ko yung details about sa website na to and paki-check dito sa description down below. Okay, so simulan na natin guys without further ado. Google Font. Well, for me, Google Font is the one of the great assets that you can find today if you need a font. You can download by category, even all kinds of language. And easy to download guys, just click the font that you want. Maganda rito guys, it's free, which is maraming similar font compare sa mga licensed font na makikita mo sa other website at mabibili. For brands of the word. Well, if you are looking for a good logo reference, Brands of the Word is the one of the most remarkable website for finding a logo guys. Perfect siya if you are making a logo. You can find many reference. Also, most of popular logo is nandito. Like for example, Coca-Cola logo. You can download in file EPS format, which is good for using Adobe Illustrator and even Photoshop. Number 3, all free download, or you can type all vector. Sa website naman ito guys, you can find all kinds of graphic, especially if you need icon, poster, and many of category na makikita mo rin sa website na to. So, meron din silang mga freebie for PSD file, PNG, and many category din na pwede mong i-download, especially nga yung mga magazine, PSD file, mock-up. So, kompleto rin sila. PNG Wings. Well guys, if you love photo manipulation using Photoshop, like me, PNG Wings is a perfect website para makakuha ng mga PNG tools. Which is can find many character, both either photos or vector artwork. For example, yung character na si Batman, meron sila, and even si Naruto, yung popular anime character. So before we jump in number 1 on our list, thank you guys sa mga nanood ng mga video ko. And hopefully guys, marami kayong matutunan sa mga video na i-upload ko. And if you like this content, please subscribe and hit mo yung bell button guys. Yun. So para updated kayo lagi sa mga video na i-upload ko. And yun, so number 1 is my favorite for pre-design. So I call it prepic.com. It's graphic resources for everyone guys. You can find here all kinds of graphic like PSD, vector, banner, or business card, Even pre-stock photos, meron din sila. Which is, isa sila sa pinaka-inspirational website you can find today. Because of most of design na galing sa kanila is galing sa Pinterest. Yon, so which is the most inspiring website pagdating sa mga design resource aside from Behance ng Adobe.
Thanks for watching Graphic Art powered by Archie. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos upcoming.